You're listening to the International Moving Podcast, your guide to moving to another country, brought to you by SDC International Shipping, LA's finest. An international move is exciting. It's a time to start over, establish a new business maybe, reestablish family ties, or retire where your budget will do more for you. Please enjoy today's episode, and if you have any questions about your international move, give us a call at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.
Welcome to the podcast. Today, we're taking you behind the scenes of what door-to-door international moving truly means and why it's one of the smartest decisions you can make when relocating overseas. At SDC International Shipping, door-to-door isn't just a marketing term, it's a philosophy, one built around care, continuity, and trust. For many of our clients, the thought of moving their entire home across an ocean feels overwhelming. Packing, customs, shipping, schedules, documentation, it's a lot. But when you have the right team behind you, all those moving parts come together like clockwork. And that is where SDC comes in. When you book a door-to-door move with us, we handle every phase, from packing and pickup at your home in the US to final delivery at your destination abroad. You're assigned a personal relocation coordinator who becomes your single point of contact. No more juggling multiple vendors or trying to track your container across the globe. We do it for you. Our process starts with listening. We discuss your destination, schedule, and priorities, whether you're moving for a new job, joining family, or starting a well-earned retirement overseas. Then, we create a tailored plan that covers every detail: packing, freight selection, insurance, custom documentation, and delivery. Our professional movers use international-grade materials to protect your belongings for long-haul transit, whether by sea or air. You can track progress, get updates, and rest easy knowing your shipment is being handled by trained specialists. And when your belongings reach your new country, our global partners take over seamlessly because we only work with trusted agents who share our same quality standards. When we say door-to-door, we mean it literally, from your front door in America to your front door overseas. Every detail runs through one unified system. It's efficient, transparent, and stress-free because at SDC, we don't just move boxes, we move lives. If you're ready to simplify your move abroad, visit sdcinternationalshipping.com or call 877-339-0267. Let SDC International Shipping handle your international relocation from door to door and beyond.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Thanks for listening. Whether you're relocating within the country or moving to the other side of the world, we're here to help from start to finish. Connect with us today at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.